That song is about it's about an imaginary bag. It's based on 5 bags, and 4 of the bags are real, and 1 of the bags is imaginary. But the 5th bag is a different imaginary bag to the bag which this song is about, which is a mixture of all of the bags. Good one. This one's going to be a 7 or 8 out of 10.
A knapsack made of oak, purchased for 30 francs from a market in Geneva in 1968. Carved from a single piece of wood, a level of workmanship one rarely comes across today. Rainstorms have knocked off the lustre of the wood. The lid of the satchel is made up of slack, affixed to a piece of sky-coloured felt. It closes with a click and fastens with a clash, the shape of a bumblebee floating past. The shoulder strap is equally quick, a daisy chain of leather fraying at the zenith of its arm. At the center of his brow there lies a bead of voodoo. I can't throw this man away. I can't throw this man away. A bar of Highland toffee, its wrapper still intact, with an expiration date of JAN86, a strip of contraceptive pills, a box of Anakin Extra, half a dozen of those tiny Ladbrokes pens, shells collected from the shore of Newton by the sea, the smell of the ocean in a used handkerchief, a lattice of hairpins combing the peak, a cloth-bound diary filled with cartography, countries that you saw whilst you were asleep, receding into leaves. I can see a bridge of moonlight flowing through the pane. How I miss you, I can feel it in my molecules. Oh.